In front of me is POCO C71, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray, which means that location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to tap on Location section over here. Then use this switcher at the top to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!